Hello everybody, my name is Tyler Chamberlain and welcome back to my channel. A few months ago, I started running into a problem with my 2016 Mazda CX-5. I was hitting the unlock door button on my key fob and it wasn't working. And then I was pushing the little nub on the door handle to open it up and that wasn't working also. So I had to pull out the key from the key fob and use that to manually open the door. Once I was inside the car would start up. But a couple of weeks after that, the car started delaying and I had to push the button several times. So I figured out, hey, it's an issue with the battery. And I was like, well, do I need to bring this to the dealership or can I do this myself? And so I just figured, let me give it a shot. I'll see if I can do it myself. So today, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to swap out the battery and see how that works. What's important to know is that it's only one type of battery that's going to work in this, and it is a 2025 3-volt. I bought an Energizer just because they have a good reputation, but there are other brands as well. So it's just personal choice. But like I said, I like Energizer just because they have a good brand. So the first thing you need to do is you need to remove the manual key. So there's a little switch. So here's the front side. And here's the back side. There's a little switch on the back side of the key fob. You're going to want to push that up and pull out the key. Once you have that, you'll see that there's some ridges here on the inside. Very kind of fine ridges there. You can get your thumbnail underneath there first, and that will kind of pop it away. Sort of. There we go. So once you pop that away, you'll have a little bit of a divide. You can take your key, slide that along the divide, and that will further pop it off. You need to do it to both sides in order to make it work without breaking plastic. So do that to both sides. Once you've done it to both sides, you can pop it off. You'll have a little tiny cover over the battery. Pull that cover off. Voila, you've got your battery. Pop that out. Take your new battery. Make sure that it's the right side going in. It won't fit. It'll only fit one way, so pretty easy. To make sure you get it right. I'm going to put this cover back on. Put the regular cover, the key fob cover on. Snap that back into place. Put the key back in. And you should see a little tiny red light that comes up once you know that the battery works. Boop, there you go. You're back in business. Thanks for joining me this morning. I hope that was helpful. Hopefully it saved you a couple of bucks. I spent $3.50 at a Kroger getting a 2-pack of batteries. So probably way better than whatever the dealership is going to charge you. Have a great day and thanks for joining me again.